So let me show you how to add a Google account to your Pixel 10 or Pixel 10 Pro. Now this is very simple. Simply swipe up and go to settings, and then under settings, you should see Google services at the top. So tap on that, and then you're gonna be required to sign in with your Google account. So I'm just gonna go ahead and verify my identity with my fingerprint or PIN or password, and then sign in with your Google account. So put in your email address, tap next, and put in your password. Once you're signed in, select I will be using this device, or if it's for a child, select my child will be using this device. Now for me, it's going to be me, so I'll select that and tap on next. And I'm going to get welcomed, tap on agree, or rather I agree. Google services, which you have to read and accept. And that's it. You have now signed in with your Google account. Now, all the Google services will use that Google account, including the Google Play Store. So for instance, if you go to the Play Store and get started, you can see we are signed in with that Google account, right? Thanks for watching and good luck.